Hello everybody, on today's video we have this USB-C laptop docking station. This thing is a 9-in-1 dock and adjustable laptop stand combination. It combines a full-featured USB-C docking station with a foldable ergonomic laptop stand. It supports laptops 10 to 17 inches and integrates with two HDMI ports, two USB 3.0 ports, one USB 3.0, and one USB-C power port that you can add power, an SD and a TF card reader as well. Has universal plug-and-play compatibility. It works with USB 3.2 Gen 2 Thunderbolt laptops, including MacBook, Windows 10, Linux, and Chrome OS, and it delivers seamless power, video, and data from a single USB-C connection. This thing supports multiple different USB drives at the exact same time, including a TF and an SD card reader that is built in as well. Look at all those ports. You can keep your laptop powered as well, and you have dual 4K 60Hz displays for maximum visibility and premium alloy construction that supports up to 40 pounds without wobble, and it folds to 10 by 2 by 9 inches and weighs only 0.7 pounds. You can customize the height and angle to reduce neck strain, back pain, and eye fatigue. And that was the USB-C laptop docking station. Thank you for watching.